Alright, so today I'm going to ask 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. In Burmese. Let's see if my little brother understand. Because you understand Burmese, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you say... First one. How do you say car in Burmese?
Ga.
Hmm?
Ga.
Yeah, half right. It's motoka.
No.
Okay. How do you say motorcycle in Burmese?
I do not know.
Think, you have to think. I don't know, it's not an answer. How do you say motorcycle in Burmese?
Saturday.
That's a bike. Motorcycle. It sounds very similar. It starts with moto.
I did not know what that was.
Okay, I'm gonna give you so it is. You okay?
Yep.
Okay, so it is motorcycle in Burmese is motorcycle.
That sounded familiar.
Yeah. And how do you say computer in Burmese?
I did not know that word.
Really? Alright. Think harder. Mom say all the time. Mom say all the time. Come on.
No, but
You're taking it too long. Cause
give me a hint.
what do you mean? It's the same thing. Computer in Burmese. It's very similar. It's just with the accents. You're not in the frame, Kiko. Sort of. You give up?
Yeah.
Because you have to go to bed. So it is computer.
Okay.
Say it.
Computer.
Okay. What is a car in Burmese?
Yeah.
What is a car in Burmese?
Ka.
Motoka.
Motoka.
What is a motorcycle in Burmese? Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
What is computer in Burmese?
His computer.
Something like that. It's computer. Computer. Yeah. Alright. All the 3. What's number 1? Say together. Motorcar.
Motorcar.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Computer.
Computer.
Say it again.
Motorcar. Motorcycle. Computer.
Okay.
Motorcar. Motorcycle. Computer.
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 Close enough. Alright. Let's finish this.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And goodbye.
Close enough. Alright.